Okay, circular economic approach shall be followed. Which approach shall be followed? Circular economic. What does this mean, circular economic approach? What does this circular economic approach means? Production. Okay. From production, we go to consumption. Okay. From consumption, we go to disposal. Okay. This is non-circular approach. Okay. When we start going from disposal to recycle, after recycling, when we reuse, okay, after reuse, when we reproduce, then after reproduction, we again go for consumption. We skipped the stage of production in the next cycle. This will prevent this production will stop there. We will use the already available in the cycle. Okay, so this will prevent wastage. This is called circular approach in the economy. Circular approach in the economy. Clear?